Hello friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 9th English medium subject SS. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the lesson number 4, National Movements in India. About this chapter we already discussed in video number 1 that already published. Those who hadn't seen that video, they go and watch that video firstly, so that you can understand what is there in this lesson. So national movements in India, regarding this we were discussed in video number 1 about the various revolutionary, which kind of the revolutionary activities were they fought and how they fought, in which areas they were fought, and everything we were discussed in detail in that video. In this video we will discuss ahead about the revolutionary movement in foreign countries, revolutionary movement which was held into the foreign countries also. Which kind of the revolutionary movement in the foreign countries? The revolutionary movement began in the foreign countries also for giving freedom to India from British. The revolutionaries were active not only into the India, but they were also active into the foreign countries for getting the independence about the India. The revolutionary activity that began in India spread to different countries. Different countries it was spread to give the or to achieve the independence for the India. In which country the revolutionary activity was active? England, England, Canada, America, Germany, France, Myanmar means Burma, Malaya, Singapore, Afghanistan and Russia. In all these countries revolutionary activity were activated. The active revolutionary who took part into the revolutionary activity in foreign countries. Which are the revolutionary who took the part into the revolutionary activity not in India but about into the foreign countries? The name of that revolutionary is given here. Shyamji Krishna Verma, Madan Lal Dhingara, Veer Savarkar, Lala Hardayal, Udham Singh, Raja Mahendra Pratap, मैडम भिखाजी कामा, सरदार सिंह राणा, मौलाना अब्दुल्ला, मौलाना बशीर, चंपक रहमान पीली, डॉक्टर मथुरिश, खुदा बख्श were associated with this activity. How to remember the name of this revolutionary who took the participation into the foreign countries, okay, for getting the independence for India. The revolutionary activities in foreign countries gave the impulse to the revolutionary activity in India. Pistols were being secretly sent to India from England. By this revolutionary pistol, they will be secretly sent for the revolutionary who fought in India. They were getting this kind of the weapons from the foreign countries revolutionaries, those who were fought for the Indian independence. Along with the bedding of cooks, okay, Madan Lal Dhingara killed the William Valley, who used to criticize the revolutionaries. There was one governor whose name was William Valley, who was killed by Madan Lal Dhingara. Madan Lal Dhingara killed that person who criticized the revolutionaries. In 1907, the Indian Independence League was established. This question is oftenly asked into the exam. In which year the Indian Independence League was established? The answer is in 1907. America, which was the later named as the Ghadar Party by Lala Hardayal. A weekly named Ghadar was published in 4 languages. Weekly means a newspaper or a magazine that was published once in a week. That is called weekly newspaper. Okay, so it is published in how many language? 4 language. And what was the name of that? Ghadar. Okay. Taraknath Das and Kartar Singh to join this actively. These 2 persons, Taraknath Das and Kartar Singh, joined this Ghadar actively. Champak Raman Pillai formed the Hind Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Dal in Germany. Plan was made to attack India by making Iraq as the headquarters. 1907, okay, in the International Socialist Conference held into the Stuttgart, Germany, the national flag prepared by Madam Kama was hosted for the first time at Raja Maharana Pratap's from the provisional independent government. Okay, here give the information about the revolutionary who fought into the foreign countries. Here given about the Lala Hardayal. Lala Hardayal, who was published the Gadar. Gadar weekly. Weekly means a newspaper or a magazine published once in a week. Okay, in there, how many language it was published? In 4 language. Taraknath Das and Kartar Singh also joined the Gadar party. Okay, and Champak Raman Pillai formed a new party that is called Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Dal. Okay, in where? Germany. It was planned to attack by India. They were make the plan to attack on India, and with the help of the Iraq, they want to establish their headquarter into the Iraq in the year of 1907. Okay, in the International Socialist Conference held into the Stuttgart, Germany, the national flag prepared. Okay, the first time national flag was prepared by the Madam Bhikaji Kama and hosted the first time as the Raja Mahendra Pratap's formed the provisional independence government. Provisional independent government under the Rashtriya Pramukh in Afghanistan, in which the Barakullah Abdullah, Maulana Bashir, Shamsher Singh, Dr. Mathur Singh, etc. also joined. See, here gave the information about the foreign countries actively took participation into the revolutionary activity regarded with India's independence, in which these revolutionaries named Madam Bhikaji Kama, who first and for our tricolor flag first time. Okay, and in spite of then many other revolutionary who took the participations named are given here: Abdullah, Maulana Bashir, Shamsher Singh, Dr. Mathur Singh, etc. All they were joined to this party. This government made the effort to get the help from Russia, Turkey, etc. These all people are trying, and they were also achieve the help or get the help from the Russia, Iraq, and Turkey. They also made the Turkish chief. Who was the chief of the Turkish at that time? Anwar Pasha, and the governor. The conspiracy Galibnama written into the Reshmi Rumal. Reshmi Rumals means silk handkerchief, asking all Muslims to unite and fight against the Christians who exposed. Raja Mahendra Pratap sent a golden strip with a signature to the Russian Tsar, in which he had requested to the Tsar to serve all tied with England. Russian revolutionary Trotsky had plugged into the support to the Indian revolutionary Sohanlal Pathak in Burma and Pramanand in Singapore carried on revolutionary activities. See friends, here given a lot of information regarding the revolutionary activity which were active into the India as well as into the foreign countries. Here give the brief information about the various king. For example, Turkish chief name was Anwar Pasha, who took the participation into the revolutionary activity, who was asking for all the Muslim people to fight against the Christians. Okay, Raja Mahendra Pratap also sent his golden strip to the Russian Tsar, and Russian Tsars also want to try to help with the Indian revolutionaries, and they were also actively participation into the revolutionary activity. So these all the things were shows that all the revolutionary activity was enthusiastically going on. In addition to this, the Kamangathum and Toshimaru steamer event provided inspiration to the Indian revolutionary staying abroad to fight against the British. See here, which kind of the preparation were made out, that all these things was described in this paragraph. If we talk about the youth people, the Indian youth in the age group of 18 to 24 years were mainly involved into the radical freedom movement. They are the people in which the age of the 18 to 24, they were also took the participation in this movement. They used to carry out any kind of the thrilling acts, okay, and did not fear to death. They didn't have any kind of fear about the death. When caught, they readily, okay, when they caught from the British East India Company or from the government of the East India Company, they embossed that shooting slogan like the Inqilab Zindabad and Vande Mataram for the purpose of freedom of their motherland. Okay, the youth of the India were very excited to getting the independence. They didn't have any kind of the fear for the death. Okay, they are not supposed to worry. They are not getting any kind of the fear from the East India Company or getting the death. Okay, they get the, if they caught and if they shootingly by the East India Company soldier, they were always speaking slogan like Inqilab Zindabad and Vande Mataram, and happily they were getting the death, okay, for their motherhood. Their sacrifice would provide the inspiration for the young generation for ages. For many years we can get the inspiration from the youth who fought for the Indians and India's independence. Okay, then after Morley Minto reform, which were held out into the year of 1909. What was Morley Minto? Morley Minto reform is what? The English adopted the policy of divide and rule to create the enmity between Hindus and Muslim. Muslim didn't want that Hindu and Muslim were made together, getting together and fought against the East India Company. So they make the policy of divide and rule. They want that Hindu and Muslim were fought on the name of the religion. In 1906, Morley Minto, under the leadership of the Aga Khan, Muslim delegation made the Viceroy Minto. Muslim delegation made to the Viceroy Minto at that time. Who was the leader of that party? Aga Khan. Morley was the Indian Wazir at that time. In the year of 1909, who was the Indian Wazir? Morley. This reform is known as the Morley Minto reform. So this reform is considered just because on the name of the Morley Minto. Arrival of Gandhiji to India. In which year Gandhiji arrived in India from the South Africa? In the year of 1950. In the year of 1950, Gandhiji came to India. Gandhiji returned to India in 1915 after successfully fighting against the Raskin into the South Africa with the Satyagraha. Into the country of South Africa, he was fought for the Raskism. Okay, and after getting the success, they went back to the India. His political mentor, means guru, was Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Who was the political mentor of the Mahatma Gandhi? This question oftenly asked into the exam. Name here given, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. And spiritual mentor, here given the Srimad Rajchandra was the spiritual mentor of the Mahatma Gandhi, from whom he got the inspiration. Gandhiji got the inspiration of his two gurus. Gandhiji traveled across the India and observed the life of the Indians. Gandhiji across traveling all over the India and observed about the life of the Indian people. He considered the exploitation of as the root of the poverty in India and made a plan to abolish the British rule in India. Gandhiji, firstly, whenever he came to the India, he moved around all over the India and he observed that the root of this exploitation is mainly of the poverty. So he planned to how come out from the abolish of the British rule from the India. Then after Rowlatt Act came in the year of 1990. What was the Rowlatt Act and how it was implemented on Indian people? The British government formed the Rowlatt Act under the leadership of the Rowlatt. Okay, chairmanship of the Rowlatt. Sorry, the British East India Company implemented the Rowlatt Act under the chairmanship of the Rowlatt, the Minister of Law. Who was the Rowlatt? Rowlatt was the Minister of Law at that time in the year of 1990 from the East India Company side. This act was framed with the purpose of the suppressing revolutionary and nationalist. Okay, this act was made out. This act was made out to suppressing the revolutionary and nationalist. The act came to be known as the Black Act. Gandhiji considered this act as a Black Act because why it is considered as a Black Act? Because it was meant to suppress the individual freedom or freedom of speech. Any person didn't have any kind of the individual freedom or any kind of the freedom for speech. Okay, according to this act, what is this act? What was this act? According to the act, any suspicious person could be arrested and jailed. If East India Company's soldier or East India Company's governor find any suspicious person from the Indian side, they can easily arrest this person and put it down behind the jail without conducting any trial of against him. That's why Gandhiji called Black Act. Gandhiji called this act as a Black Act. Motilal Nehru considered it as a snatching away of the argument, appeal and advocacy. Motilal Nehru, the father of the Jawaharlal Nehru, was considered this act as a snatching away of argument, appeal and advocacy. The British government gained the imposed power under this act. Under this act, British East India Company got a huge power to suppress any kind of the operation. They do any kind of the operation against any Indian. So leaders and the people as a large expressed the operation, meeting, relief, show and strike to organize against it. So people of India who were related with this revolutionary activity and who were against the East India Company, they were do many activities, like they were do the meetings, rally, okay, show, strike, everything, whatever they can do, everything they were trying to remove this Rowlatt Act. Gandhiji was arrested in Delhi. Gandhiji was arrested by the East India Company's soldier into the Delhi when Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Kichlu were arrested in Punjab. Dr. Satyapal and Kichlu were also successfully running this activity against the Rowlatt Act, against the Black Act. They were also arrested into the Punjab. Okay, into the agitation becomes the government vehemently tried to suppress all the operation. The government was trying to stop whatever the oppositions were going on in front of the Rowlatt Act. The government were trying to stop the people from this. After that, Jallianwala Bagh massacre were happened into the year of 1919, 13 March. This date you must have to remember on which date Jallianwala Bagh massacre were happened in the year of 1919. The date was 13 March. What was happened into the Jallianwala Bagh? When the popular leader like the Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Kichlu were arrested, the two popular leaders were arrested into the Amritsar. Okay, which two leader? Dr. Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal were arrested into the Amritsar, Punjab. A public gathering to organized into the Jallianwala Bagh. Public were gathered into the Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar on the day of Baisakhi. The day of the 13 March 1990 was a Baisakhi day to oppose the arrest. They were gathering how to oppose the arrest of the Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Kichlu. So at that time, Governor General Dyer, O'Donnell Dyer, reached there with his troops and without any warning opened fire on innocent people from the machine gun. General Dyer suddenly reached there and he gave the order to his soldier to give without any warning or without any instruction, openly fire, they were held out. They were high. There were very high walls on the far side of the Bagh. The Bagh was covered with a huge wall. From that, no one can jump from that wall. So people didn't move outside of the garden, because garden has only one entrance and exit gate, on which General Dyer was standing there with their soldier and machine guns. Into the middle there was a unused well. Into the middle of this Jallianwala Bagh there was an unused well, and only a way of being narrow. Okay, the way is very narrow. The way of the this what we can say well is very narrow. A number of people lost their lives into the lives in the firing. In this firing, lot of people lost their life. According to the government report, there were 379 people died and 12,000 were injured. According to the government record, there were 379 people died and 1200 were injured. But as per the committee appointed the Congress, 1,000 people had. But what is reality? 1,000 people had died in the firing. Hunter Commission investigating the case. Okay, who investigating the case related with the Jallianwala Bagh? Hunter Commission investigating the case behalf of the British government defended General Dyer, and Hunter Commission defend to General Dyer. They saved the General Dyer. This incident was declared that this activity or this incident was happened by mistake. It is not intensely doing by the General Dyer. It was declared by the Hunter Commission. The commission forgave General Dyer, considering as the innocent mistake. This mistake is considered as a innocent mistake. So Hunter Commission declared that, and it was happened with the mistake. Unknowingly, mistake happened into the unknowingly. On the other hand, when General Dyer returned to England and sent the General Dyer to England, so whenever General Dyer reached the England, he was honored with the sword and 2,000 pounds. The British East India Company's government, which were ruling over the England, okay, they honored the General Dyer with 2,000 pounds and sword. Indians get a terrible shock because of this. To seeing this, Indian people get a huge shock, a terrible shock about this incident. After this inhuman act, Gandhiji considered this act as an inhuman act. Gandhiji lost his faith towards the East India Company completely. Gandhiji lost his faith from the East India Company. The event played an important role into the untying the whole nation. The tragedy became the ground for the failure of non-cooperation movement. So the tragedy was ground to the failure of the non-cooperation movement. Thereafter, next movement is going on is about the Khilafat movement. What is Khilafat movement? During the First World War, Turkey joined the German side. See, during the First World War, Turkey people or Turkey government or Turkey military were joined into the German side. So when the England won, the treaty was made, had many firm and injustice term and condition for losing side. Okay, losing side Germany were there. So also Turkish people have faced many of the lose. The Sultan of Turkey at that time was a Khalifa. The name of the Sultan the Turkish Sultan was considered as a Khalifa into the Turkey, head of the Muslim. What is the meaning of Khalifa? Khalifa means a head of Muslim. The movement in India to oppose the strict term imposed the Turkey and the Sultan came to known as the Khilafat movement. So Ali brothers, Maulana Shaukat Ali and Maulana Muhammad Ali were the chief leader of the movement. Khilafat movement. Who are the two leader of the Khilafat movement? Maulana Shaukat Ali and Maulana Muhammad Ali. They were the two leader of the Khilafat movement. Gandhiji requested the Congress to support the movement. Gandhiji requested to the Congress party to support about this movement and keeping the Hindu-Muslim unity in mind. The movement become served to the Congress support, and this movement get a huge support from the Congress side. From National Corporation movement, after that non-corporation movement which were held out in the year of 1920. Non-corporation movement means what? The Nagpur conference gave the approval to the non-corporation movement. Non-corporation movement gave gave the approvations of the Nagpur conference into the December 1920. Now the Congress made a strong demand for the independence of India. Congress made a completely independent from about the India. So instead of self-government means Swashasan. Self-government means Swashasan under the rule of the British Empire. They didn't want to go any more longer under the rule of the British East India Company. They want complete independence. Okay, Swarajya. Then after constructive aspect, into the positive aspect of the movement was Hindu-Muslim unity to be the strengthened insistence on using the Swadeshi article, revival of spinning wheels in every house is collection of 1 crore rupee for the Tilak Swaraj Fund. How many rupees were how many rupees of the collection were held out for the from the Tilak Swaraj Fund? 1 crore rupees at that time. Abolition of the untouchability, national education and prohibition, etc. Then after, what were this is the constructive aspect, and what was the negative aspect? Negative aspect consisted giving up the government job. They left the government job. They willingly left from the government job. Government school and colleges boycotted by the people of India. Legislator resigned from the government court, and local self-government boycott the foreign cloth and other article government functions, titles, etc. Everything were boycotted by the people of India. This was the negative aspect. So you have to remember about the positive and negative, both the aspect. Programs for the non-corporation movement. Which kind of the program were held out for the non-corporation movement? Non-corporation movement was fighting for which kind of the activity, and which kind of the program were held out into the non-corporation movement. In the beginning of the movement, whenever this movement was started, the beginning of the movement, Mahatma Gandhiji and Rabindranath Tagore surrendered their titles. They gave back their titles, Kesari-e-Hind and the knighthood honor. Gandhiji got the title from the Kesari-e-Hind from the East India Company. So Gandhiji returned that title, and Rabindranath Tagore got the title of the knighthood honor. There's also Rabindranath Tagore returned to the East India Company. Other leader of the nation also gave their title and position. Students in English school and colleges, they also left out from the schools and colleges. All the various places, foreign clothes were set onto the fire. Whatever the foreign clothes were selling out, they all got to the fire. When Duke of the Kennett came to India, the Duke of the King means the King of the Kennett came to India. He was boycotted in the year of 1920 November. The ceremony of the honoring of the Prince of the Wales was boycotted. This incident is considered non-corporation, means we are not going to cooperate with you in any of the activity, in any of the matter. So this is completely non-corporation movement. Such incidents created the considerable national excitement. On the other hand, we can see the national school and colleges were established. National schools means a local school which were established by the Indian people. Kashi, Bihar, Jamia Mila, Gujarat, etc. Vidyapits, due to the various propaganda of the Swadeshi code. The import of the clothes, whatever the clothes, footwear, luxurious item which were imported, okay, imported from the England, it was be reduced districtly. The reactions of rattled the British Parliament. The government was shocked by this kind of the huge economic loss to England. If the people were boycotting all these foreign goods and foreign things, so government of the East India Company or government of the England were totally into the shocked. More than 1 crore rupee was collected into the Tilak Fund. Tilak Fund collected more than 1 crore rupee. On the many occasions, Hindu and Muslim emerged the parodimentally. Mopla revolt means Malabar between the Hindu leadership and Muslim peasants deserve the criticism, and it was suppressed by the British Army. So here given a many example to support the non-corporation movement, and people were very excited or enthusiasm to get the independence. The government adopted the policy of the suppression. Under control the lathi charge. They were lathi charge on the people, firing on the houses, collectively arrest people were arrested, inhuman torture was given to the satyagrahis, and every revolutionaries was melted out. Unsuccessful attempts to break the Hindu-Muslim unity. They were not getting success in to break the Hindu-Muslim unity. Then after one bad incident was happened into the Chauri Chaura incident with the withdrawal of the movement. What was the Chauri Chaura incident and withdrawal of the movement? People took out a rally in Chauri Chaura village. People took out the rally into the Chauri Chaura village, which is into the Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Chauri Chaura is a name of a village which was situated into the Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. The police opened fire on the people. When people took out for the rally, police opened fire on the people. But when they run short bullets, people attacked the police station and set on the fire, in which 21 policemen died. People become angrily and attacked on the policemen, and fire caught the locked the policemen into the police station and fired the police station. Okay, so 21 policemen were died in that incident. On receiving the horrible news, Gandhiji said, "I have committed the Himalayan burden by giving the tool of the satyagraha in the hands of the people who are not understand the value of non-violence." Gandhiji, after hearing this news, Gandhiji become very disappointed, and he told that I got the bundle of giving the tools in the hand of the people who didn't understand the meaning of the satyagraha. Satyagraha means non-violence, means ahimsa. That is Gandhiji's religion, Gandhiji's dharma. It was not followed by the people. Okay, so Gandhiji getting very upset. He suspended the movement immediately. Gandhiji suspended non-corporation movement immediately. Importance of the non-corporation and its effects. What was the importance and its effect of the non-corporation movement? Here given about this. Okay, the movement did not active in a desire aims, but through its negative and constructive aspect, manage to general people, awareness to the rights, a negative atmosphere against the government was created. Okay, this kind of the movement, non-corporation movement, many of the effect, which kind of the effect, it's managed to generate in the people, awareness for people getting the aware about their right, negative atmosphere was removed from there against the government, which was clear. There was a strong feeling to the opposition against the injustice. People get the strong feeling to get the justice. There was a political awareness among all the classes of India. All the classes means whatever the upper classes, lower classes, poor people, rich people, all have get the political awareness among them. Faith into the independence becomes stronger. People believe more strongly that we will get the independence. We will come out from this situation, harsh situation. The fear of lathi charge, punishment and imprisonment was removed. There is there was no fear in the people about the lathi charge, about the punishment, about the jail. They didn't want to any care about that. The youth and the women too came forward. Youth people and women also came forward to serve their nations, and Congress become an organization of the people. School giving national education. School are starting to give the national education to the students, so that they also get the understand the value of the independence. Hindi started getting more importance than English. Hindi started to getting the importance compared to the English language. The moment that was limited to crisis town of the illustrictual spread to the people and the villages. This all are the importance and the effect of the non-corporation movement. Then after Swaraj Party, what was the Swarajya Party? Swarajya Party was held out with the purpose of the returning the national awareness among the people. What was the purpose of the Swaraj Party? Retaining the national awareness into the people. Chittaranjan Das, Munshi and Motilal Nehru formed the Swaraj Party. Who formed the Swaraj Party? Chittaranjan Das, Munshi and Motilal Nehru formed the Swaraj Party after the withdrawal of the non-corporation movement. After the withdrawal means stopped. Who was stopped the non-corporation movement? Gandhiji was stopped the non-corporation movement. Why he was stopped the non-corporation movement? Just because he was upset from the Chauri Chaura incident. This purpose was to enter the legislative assembly and oppose the unfair policy of the government. The leader of the Satyagraha Party also adopted the constructive activities, and Gandhiji liked the abolition and untouchability, Hindu-Muslim unity, revival of spinning and liquor prohibition, etc. Gandhiji asked about all these points in there. Swarajya Party consist the election of the legislative held into the November 1923. Okay, November 1923 there was an election held by the held into the India, and from which Swarajya Party was consisted, and the candidates of the Swarajya Party were elected into the central legislature. Swarajya Party's candidate was elected in the central legislature as well as the provisional legislature and got the clear majority. They got the clear majority. It did not get the majority in Bengal, but emerged a strong party. Swarajya Party comes out as a strong party. Motilal Nehru was elected into the central legislature. Who elected as a central legislator of the Swarajya Party? Motilal Nehru. And after leader into the Chittaranjan Das elected as the Bengal provisions. Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru, these two proved themselves as a strong leader of the Swarajya Party. Swarajya Party disapproved the government budget and proposal and the restraint injustice policy of the government, which was the injustice policies which were held or which were declared by the government. The Swarajya Party and the people of the Swarajya Party were opposed by that. It complete the government to consider the problem of the people. The Swarajya Party all the time complete the government about the problem of the people of India. Due to the working of the Swarajya Party only, government had appointed the Simon Commission for 2 years earlier. Just because of the impact of the Swarajya Party, just because of the power of the Swarajya Party, British East India Company have to force the Simon Commission before 2 years. This what was the Simon Commission? It will become okay. The Swarajya Party function into the disciplined manner and established the high parliamentary practice. It proved the British government that the Indians can rule continuously and democratically. The educated class of India was to attracted to the Swarajya Party. Whatever the people who got the education, they were attracted to the Swarajya Party. The national awareness, okay, and the re-emerge into the people. The party played an a crucial role into the beginning of the achievement of the independence very near in the indicates the importance of the party. All these things are indicate about the importance of the party, because educated people were attracted by this party, okay, and whatever the formation was made out, that was be possible just because of the Swaraj party. With the death of the Chittaranjan Das, June 1925, Chittaranjan Das was died in the year of 1925. The Swarajya party become weak. Okay, after the death of the Chittaranjan Das, Swarajya party getting weak. Some members began to supporting the government, with the other established a new party named the National Party. There were new party was created by the people who supported the government, and they gave the party National Party. Thus the prestige of the Swarajya party reduced. So the prestige of the Swarajya party was reduced. Come hona. Okay, in the 1926 election, all these members lost the terribly, except the Madras provision. In the Madras provision, only Swarajya party was getting the rule. In spite of that, all the areas they were not ruling out. Bachendri Pal and Surendranath Banerjee even criticized the party strongly. This party was also strongly criticized by the Bachendri Pal and Surendranath Banerjee. So friends, here in this lesson about the chapter number 4, national movements in India, we already discussed about the various things, like the introduction part about that great national uprising, whatever the great national uprising, boycott of the indigenous movement, Muslim League, birth and the development of the extreme revolutionary movement, okay, fire and revolutionary movement in the foreign countries, revolutionary movement into the foreign countries, and arrival of the Gandhiji, Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Khilafat movement, non-corporation movement, constructive accept, negative accept, and the programs of the non-corporation movement. After that, Chauri Chaura incident, we already discussed importance of the non-corporation movement and its effect, and Swarajya party. All these things points we were discussed in this lesson. So in this lesson we get the huge information about the freedom fighting. So I hope you can understand about the what is there into the lesson that I explain word to word, okay, related to this. Whatever the question answers are there, that I will send you through the PDF that you have to write down in your notebook. And in spite of that, whatever the question exercises given here, you can see this exercise, okay. So this exercise also you have to write down in your notebook, and whatever PDF I send, that also you have to write down in your notebook. In our next video we will discuss about our new topic, new lesson. Okay, bye.